Namaste. This is the second of the series of my YouTube video. Actually, I was talking about flute, the flute music. Now, from today onwards, I am going to give you the basic tips that is required for playing a flute or bansuri in a well or melodious way. Okay. Now coming to this flute and bansuri, I will tell you the difference between the flute and bansuri. Actually, when you see how many holes are there, there are 8 holes, and this is the blowing holes. There will be one blowing hole and 8 holes for the fingering. This is called Venu. Venu is nothing but South Indian Carnatic music flute. And when you come to another type of flute, we will see how many are there, how many holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 only straight holes. This is an adjustment hole, so you don't bother about this hole now. There are 6 holes, playing holes, that is fingering holes, and one blowing hole. This is the North Indian Hindustani flute. This is the basic difference. Venu and Hindustani flute. Why this difference? What if you have only one 8-hole full flute or only 6-hole? Actually, in South Indian music, there are more than 30,000 ragas. You know that 72 Melakarta and its Jani ragas. So we require one comfort for that. So we are using Venu for this South Indian Carnatic music. In North Indian Bansuri, Hindustani music, there are not much ragas are not available. Only 10 thoughts are there. Thoughts mean ragas. So accordingly they will adjust and play. You know this Venu is something like a car, 4-wheeler, AC with AC and everything. It is like a car. It has its own comforts and it has its own difficulties also. Whereas this Bansuri is like a 2-wheeler. You can go even in small lanes, you can cut through the traffic, everything. But that comfort, only that comfort we are going to have in that 8-hole Bansuri, that is the Venu. Okay. So now I want to start this Bansuri and Venu playing. Now in Venu, this is Venu, 8-hole flute. So we are going to hold the flute like this. Either see near this first hole, no, you keep your thumb. This is the position, and you keep your thumb here. This will act as this one stand for the flute gripping, and here also you are going to hold it. So flute is balanced now. It will not have any jerky, shaky stand like that. Okay, it will be very firm here. So we start the Venu with this 2-finger closed position. That is Sa for this. Now one by one video I will be giving you all the Swarasthanas. Actually, if you see in Carnatic music, the vocal, veena or any other instrument if you take, you will be starting with Maya Malava Gaula Raga. In flute, you don't have that comfort to start with Maya Malava Gaula because of certain half open notes, which will be very, very difficult initially. So we will be starting with Harikambodhi Raga. That is 28th Melakarta Harikamodinam. And flute, there are two aspects. One is blowing, another is finger. How to play like this. And flute and violin, these are the only two instruments, musical instruments, which cannot be played at once. Sarigama Padanisa you cannot play. In Veena you can play, you got the ridges. In harmonium or keyboard you got the certain keys. So you can play it all the 7 notes in a day, within a day. In flute and violin it's not possible. Why? In violin there is one more balancing of bow. You have to balance it and play it. You cannot coordinate. One hand you have to hold the violin and go for the swarasanas, and one hand you have to go on putting that bow. So coordinating is extremely difficult, and all the 7 swaras, Sari, Gama, Padani cannot be played immediately. It will take some time. In flute also same thing, the blow and fingering. When you take the flute for the first time and start blowing it, I will say that I am confident, I am saying that you cannot blow it for more than 2 or 3 seconds. You need to develop your lungs first. It should have that air holding capacity. Until you do that, you cannot. So, what I will do now, for Venu learners today, Venu learners, I will tell them how to improve your blow. First thing is, just leave everything. If you leave everything open position, no, it is Ga in Carnatic music, Ga. So what you have to do, you don't bother about the fingering position, everything. You bother only about how to improve the blow. This is the basic way. You have to improve the blow. And the blow should be constant for about 20 seconds. You can go up to maximum. Dr. N. Ramani used to blow constantly without any break up to 40 seconds. That's a record. So we have to come to at least up to 25 to 30 seconds. So you must hold the flute like this. This blowing hole, no, you take it to your mouth. This position below your nose. That ridge is there. Here you take it and you open it outside. So you will get the position. Now, first time, no, you will get only for 2 or 3 seconds. Let it come. Don't bother. Don't worry. Don't get tense. Now you have to start blowing. You adjust according to your mouth. Like that you have to blow, and you have to take the blow up to come 15 seconds, 15 to 16 seconds. Why not? There will be 2 avartanams, Aditala avartanam, that we will come later. So to start with, this is the Ga position, and this is the exercise I am giving you all, those who are viewing. So you are going to start your flute musical journey from now. So you take it here, practice it daily, and you call me to my WhatsApp number or message me to my WhatsApp number. You will get some advices for improving your blow. First, take a deep breath. Repeat now. Like that. Please practice. I will give some more videos, maybe once in 2 days. Let us start our musical journey, and let us pray to Goddess Saraswati and Lord Krishna that our flute musical journey should be a smooth and unhindered one, and everybody should learn it. Thank you. Namaste. Vanakkam. Sai Ram.